Voice command navigation. Voice commands are a convenient way to operate many of the systems in your Lexus. Pressing the talk switch for the first time will bring up a notification with options to begin voice recognition training. Choosing "Do not tell me again" will dismiss the message indefinitely. Choosing "OK" will continue with voice recognition. You'll also hear a beep that prompts you to speak a command from the on-screen menu. The microphone active icon in the center of the tachometer will notify you when the system is listening. Now, let's take a closer look at how to operate the navigation system using voice commands. Common voice commands for navigation control are "Go home," "Point of interest," and "Address." Let's begin by finding a nearby coffee house. Press the talk switch on the steering wheel. Wait for the beep and say, "Find coffee houses nearby."
Showing nearby coffee houses. Select the one you want. Say next page for more items.
Then speak the number of your choice from the list. Number 4.
To navigate to this point of interest, say, "Go there," or you can say, "Call them," or "Mark location."
Confirm the location is correct and say, "Go there."
Navigating to MIOS Eatery.
The system will display the location on the map. Select OK or begin driving to start route guidance.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
To delete the route, select the Remove Destination pin at the lower right on the map. Then, Yes to confirm your choice. Now, let's enter an address. Press the talk switch on the steering wheel. Wait for the beep and say, "Get directions."
Choose a destination type like address, preset, or previous destination.
Address.
For directions to an address, please say the full address, including the city and the state or province, without the zip code.
Then, speak the complete address. 6781 Headquarters Drive, Plano, Texas.
Say the list number of the one you want, or say none of these.
Number 1.
I heard 6781 Headquarters Drive, Plano, Texas. Is that correct?
Yes.
Starting guidance for a new route.
The system will display the location on the map. You can select OK.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Or begin driving to start route guidance. When using voice command, remember, for best results, make sure that your windows are up to reduce background noise. You may also need to reduce your climate control's fan speed from high, as the microphone can pick it up. When speaking, speak normally and without pauses. Pronounce numbers as single digits. In the case of a 0, say 0, not O. And use trained voice recognition to help the voice command system to adapt to your voice.